This is our 8-in-1 combo heat press machine. First, let's test this machine. First, we turn on this button to start this machine. Then, we will set the temperature. This is the SET button. First, we press this button. P1 means the temperature. We could press this up arrow to increase the temperature. And we could also press this down arrow to decrease the temperature. Then we press this SET button again. Then P2 is time. Normally we set it at 30 seconds. We could press this up arrow to increase the time. We could also press this down arrow to decrease the time. Then we press this SET button again to finish the setting. Now it's 196 degrees. Now this is the fabric, polyester fabric. It could be 100, shake the head 180 degrees. First we press this, display this on this. This is a sublimation transfer paper. The picture should face down. The picture should be face down the fabric. On this, the temperature reaches 200 degrees. Then we press this button. Then press this up arrow to count down. Once the time finishes, the machine will sing a song to remind you the printing is finished. Okay, we lift this and press this down arrow to finish this music. Look at this. All the color printed on this fabric. The printing is very beautiful. Look at this. Elephant is very bright and beautiful. Okay. This is the 8-in-1 combo heat press machine. This is the plate part. Now, first we press this power button to start the machine. Then we press this SET button to set the temperature to 200 degrees. We could press this up arrow to increase the temperature. We could also press this down arrow to decrease the temperature. Then we press this SET button again to set the time. Normally we use 180 seconds for the plate, for the ceramic plate. We could press this up arrow to increase the time. We could also press this down arrow to decrease the time. Now, this is the plate, this is the sublimation paper. The picture face down this. This is the sublimation tape. Okay, it's finished. We display this plate here and press this down and press this down arrow to start the time countdown. The time is countdown now. Once the printing finishes, it will sing a song to remind you the printing is finished. Okay, press this down arrow to finish this ring. Remember, it's very hot, so just be careful. It's very hot. It's very beautiful. It's a peach. The printing effect is so beautiful. Okay, this is the 8-in-1 combo heat press machine. Let's test this cap part. First, we turn on this button to start this machine. Then we set the temperature. I press this ICT button once. P1 means the temperature. Normally we use 140 degrees for the cap, for the stickers. We could press this up arrow to increase temperature, and we could also press this down arrow to decrease temperature. Then we press this ICT button again to set the time. Normally we print use the 12 seconds. We could press this up arrow to increase the time. We could also press this down arrow to decrease the time. Now we press this ICT button again to finish setting. Now the temperature reached 140. This is the cap and this is the sticker. Okay. First we press this, display this cap here, sticker here. Press this button and press this down arrow. The time is come down. Once the time finishes, it will see a sound to remind you that printing is finished. Okay, press this down arrow to finish this. Lift up. This is cool writing. So let's wait it till it's cool. Now the printing finished. Look at this. The cap is very beautiful, very smooth. Okay, thank you. Now this is the 8-in-1 combo heat press machine. This is the mark part. First, we press this button, the power button, to turn on this machine. Then we press this ICT button to set the temperature. P1 is 200. Normally we use 200 Celsius. We could press this up arrow to increase the temperature. We could also press this down arrow to decrease the temperature. Then we press this ICT button again to set the time. P2 is the time. Normally we use 180 seconds for the ceramic plate and ceramic mug. We could press this up arrow to increase the time. We could also press this down arrow to decrease the time. Then we press this ICT button to finish setting. Once the machine reaches 200 degrees, we could print this mark. Now let's see this mark. It's a coating white mark. This is the sublimation paper, and this is the high temperature tape. Now the picture faces to this mark. Use the tape to fix, so the picture won't move. We could clockwise this to increase the pressure of this mark. Now the time reach 200 degrees. We place this mark inside this. Be careful, it's very hot. We press this here to adjust this pressure. Okay, we press this down arrow to count down the time. It will count down from 180 seconds to 0. Once the printing finishes, it will ring a sound to remind you the printing is finished. Then you can take over this mark. But be careful, the mark is very hot. Now printing finish, we could press this down arrow to finish this sum. Push back, take over this mark. Be careful, it's very hot. Very beautiful. This elephant is so bright.